Hello, students. Welcome to your English class. I am your English teacher, Mrs. Jenny Shah. And today, students, we are going to be doing the question and answers and the language, understanding the language of the text of the chapter, How the Dog Found Himself a Master. We completed this just yesterday, students. So, looking at the question and answers behind the textbook, behind the chapter, after the chapter, page 21. Why did the dog feel the need for a master? Or why was the dog looking for a master? Next one. Why did the dog leave his first master? Or who did he first choose as his master, and why did he leave that master? Students, I have purposely kept different questions on the screen, but like you can see, I'm trying to show you how a question may look different, may sound different, but have the same answer. Question 3. Who did he choose next? Question 3. Why did he choose the bear as his master? Textbook. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? Where what did the bear do when he saw the lion? Question 5. How did the lion react to see the man coming? And question 6. Why did the dog accept the man as his ultimate master? Or why did he finally choose as his master and why? Students, these questions are very close to each other. Do not worry if you are feeling that there is an extra question on the screen and I need to write it down. No, you will be writing the questions that are in the textbook and you'll be doing the answers of those only. But I'll give you the answers of all the questions you see on the screen as well. Okay, first one was, why was the dog looking for a master? Also in your textbook, the question is, why did the dog feel the need for a master? 1 comma 2 over there indicates the paragraph numbers where the answer is written, but you will have to change its tense. You will have to change it to first person, second person, third person, depending on how you are framing the answer. The answer is, the dog felt a need for a master because he was tired of wandering about all by himself and being scared of those who were stronger than him. So he decided to have a master who was stronger than anyone else on the entire earth. So in this, students, you're going to tell first the reason why he wanted a master, and then his needs, what he was looking for as a into a master. Next question is, who did he choose first as his master, and why did he leave that master? He chose the wolf as his master. He left the wolf as his master because the wolf was scared of the bear. The dog wanted to serve a master who was stronger than anybody else on earth, and so he left the wolf. Who did he choose next? He chose the bear as his master next. Why did he serve the lion for a long, long time? He served the lion for a long time because he had no complaints. He was safe with the lion, as lion was the strongest beast and nobody dared to touch the dog. Who did he finally choose as a master and why? He finally chose man as his master because even the lion, who was the fiercest beast, was scared of the humans. This convinced the dog that man was strongest of all. Okay, students? So this is how your answer doesn't have to be the same as I tell you. It has to be around that. It should include that point in your own manner. Okay, students? Yes. Next part of your textbook is a summary of the story. This you will do in the textbook itself. I know I have not told you all which questions you all are going to do. Students, I want you all to do question number 1. Why did this dog feel the need for a master? Question number 4. Why did he serve the lion for a long time? And question number 5. Who did he finally choose as his master and why? Only these 3 questions to be done in your notebooks. Okay, this B part you have to do in the textbook. The summary of the story is given below. Fill in the blanks to complete. Take appropriate phrases from the box. Okay, this is the story of a dog. Who used to be, what will come over there? Who used to be I'm just going to write the numbers so it's easier. This is a story of a dog who used to be his own master. He decided to find a master. He decided to find a master stronger than anybody else. This is 1. First, he found a wolf, but the wolf was afraid of the bear. The dog thought that the bear was strongest of all. After some time, the dog met. Whom does he meet? A lion. After some time, the dog met the lion, who seemed the strongest. He stayed with the lion for a long time. One day he realized that the lion was afraid of men. So we have completed it. To this day, the dog remains man's best friend. Students, you will not write numbers here. You will write the entire phrase or the word. Okay? Next, students. Now we are working with the language. We're going to look at the language. So students, in this story, we have read about animals. So you all are aware of the collective nouns like a bunch of flowers or a herd of cows. Yes, we are going to use the same collective nouns and we are going to complete the phrase with the suitable word from the box. So, a dash of sheep. Student, it's always a fleet of sheep. Okay? It's always a fleet of sheep. A dash of flowers, bunch of flowers. A dash of chicks. A dash of chicks. A brood of chicks, students. A brood of chicks. A dash of cattle. What will come over your herd or flock? Herd of cattle, okay? A dash of sticks. A dash of sticks. Bundle of sticks. A dash of sheep. A flock of sheep. A dash of fishes. A dash of fish. A school of fish. And a dash of wolves. A pack of wolves. Okay, students? So please over here also you're going to write the collective noun in its place. Next, you have to make nouns from the below given words by adding NESS or ITY. For some words, we need to add only TY or Y. For example, we will not say honestness or honesty. Correct? So when you make it honesty, you will just add a Y to it. Okay? We will just add a Y to it. Write the entire word. Kindness. Kindness. Cruelty. Calmness. Sadness. Students over here, active, cut your E and add ITY, activity. Creative, creativity. Sincerely. Cheerfulness. Bitterness. Sensitivity. And greatness. Okay. Did you notice if it was ending with a E, we have cut the E and added ITY. Okay, students? Moving further, word search. This I'm not going to do. There are 12 words hidden in the crossword puzzle. Students, I want you to time this. So when you start, see the time, and when you stop, write the time. Write the start and stop time over there. There are 12 words which are hidden in this table. 6 can be found horizontally and 6 can be found vertically. All of them are describing words like good, happy, strong, etc. The first letter of the words are already given to you. You just have to search for them. Students, this is very easy. I want to see your speed on this. So please time yourself, okay? So with this, students, we have come to the end of this chapter. There is two more things which are left. Okay, but I will be doing the comprehension with you in the Zoom class. What I want you to do, students, is can you see the family of trees on page number 25? This is the family tree of dogs. What I need you to do, students, is I want you to copy this tree in your notebooks and you have to stick the pictures of seal, raccoon, everything, dog, or I'm not going to complete that for you. You're going to find out these words on your own. This is a family tree of the dog, and you can get these words from the passage on page number 24. So read this passage, solve it and keep. Read the passage, solve it and keep. I'm going to solve this with you on the in the next Zoom class. Okay, students, with this I have come to the end, and also page 25 you have to do in your notebooks very neatly. I'm going to ask for this as one of your e-portfolios. Okay, so please do this very neatly. With this, students, we come to the end of our class. Stay home, stay safe, take care, keep learning. Thank you.